Hello everyone, I'm Oliver Kisiyo, and in this presentation, we'll explore the journey of art from classical painting method to the modern art movements. That creativity. By learning how this movement developed, we can understand how artists express themselves across different eras. We have 5 classical movements and techniques. 1 is naturalism, 2 humanism, 3 fresco painting, 4 tempera painting, and 5 oil painting. Naturalism focuses on lifelike representation, capturing real human emotion, detailed anatomy, and belief lighting. For example, the art of Baroque master Caravaggio. The title is The Calling of Saint Mateo. This painting is dramatic, contrast, and natural human reaction. Baroque became influential during the late Renaissance and Baroque period. Humanism values human intellectual dignity and emotion, placing human at the center of artistic subject. For example, the artwork of Leonardo da Vinci is the Vitruvian Man. This painting composed of harmony of human proportion and scientific study. This painting is a major influence during the Italian Renaissance. He believes humans are capable of reason and creativity. Fresco painting, a technique where pigments are applied to wet plaster, making the artwork part of the wall structure. For example, the artwork of Michelangelo, The Last Judgment. This painting is movement, figure, expressive passes. This is widely used for decorating churches and large interiors. He believes ideal for large-scale storytelling and religious narrative. Tempera painting uses egg yolk to build pigments, resulting in a matte finish and precise details. Example of this painting of Fra Angelico, the Annunciation. This is clean outlines and symbolic color use, common in medieval altarpieces and early Renaissance work. He believed suited and delicate religious imaginary. Oil painting. Oil paint dries slowly, allowing artists to bend stone, create texture, and achieve depth. The artwork of Jan van Eyck, the Arnolfini portrait. This painting is refined light, reflection, and complex texture. Context of rose to popularity in Northern Europe. The relief great for realism and fine detail. We have a 9 modern art movement. 1 is Impressionism, 2 is Post-Impressionism, and Cubism. 4 Fauvism, and number 5 Expressionism, and 6 Realism, and 7 is Surrealism, and the last one is number 8 is pop art. Impressionism, a movement focused on light outdoor scenes and capturing moments. For example, the artwork of Claude Monet, The Impression Sunrise. This painting lost stroke and shifting light, developed in 1870s France. He believed paint quickly and captured the impression and a moment. Post-Impressionism added emotional depth, symbolism, and structured composition. Example of this artwork of Vincent van Gogh. The bedroom. This painting is expressive color and strong shapes. In late 80s, he relief art shall communicate emotion. Cubism used geometric shapes and fragments to respect multiple angles simultaneously. The artwork of Pablo Picasso is the Lens Demoiselles d'Avignon. A sharp form of bold restructuring began in Paris in the early 90s. He believed reality is not just one viewpoint. Fauvism focused on vibrant and natural colors and energetic expression. Henri Matisse, on his artwork Woman with a Hat, is this intense color contrast. In early 20th century France, he believed color shall express feelings. Expressionism depicts powerful emotion using distorted shape and intense colors. Example of this artwork of Edvard Munch. The Scream is the emotional tension and dramatic lines. Originated in Germany, he believes show inner feeling over accurate appearance. Dadaism, rebelling against traditional art, it embraces randomness and absurdity. By Marcel Duchamp, and this artwork bicycle wheel this everyday object turned into art. In World War I period, he believed art can be humorous or meaningless. Surrealism, centered on dream, imagination, and the unconscious. Example of this painting, Salvador Dali and of the lobster silicon. This a strange yet imaginative imagery. In 1920s-30s, he believed art shall reveal hidden thoughts. Pop art uses popular culture, advertising, and mass production imagery, and Warhol. Some example of pop art is the artwork of Camp Bills, soap cans. This repetition and consumer culture, he believed everyday items can be art. Reflection in this reporting is the movement that stands out to me is surrealism. I love how surrealized artists dive deep into dreams and the imagination. It reminds me that creativity doesn't always have to make sense. Sometimes the best ideas come from unexpected places. Surrealism encourages people to think beyond reality, and that's why it fascinates me. Thank you.